Welcome to Voiceless Unboxing. Today, we are unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Get a knife and cut or pull the tabs off. Remove the cover. The brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Titanium Black. In this box, you'll also get SIM ejector pin, user manual, USB-C to USB-C cable. Let's charge the phone. Plug in the USB-C into the bottom of the phone. This is the S25 Ultra S Pen. Let's turn on the phone and set it up. Press Start to begin. Select the top two options. Press Agree. Set up manually. Log into your Wi-Fi network. Set up later in Settings. Press Next to copy your data. Press Next. Press Agree. Press Allow. Choose your phone OS. Use a cable to make the transfer faster. Plug in the USB-C into your old phone first, then into your new phone. Press More. Press Continue. Scroll down and press Allow. Press Connect to your new phone. Select what you want transferred. Press Copy to copy all accounts to new phone. Enter your passcode. It will show you what app chats won't transfer. Make sure to keep screen on both phones. Press Next. Create a passcode or skip for now. Skip anyway. Disable Google services, then press Accept. Your choice to backup info or not. Gemini Assistants, Galaxy AI Assistants, Bixby Assistants, Samsung Services, press Agree. You're all set up. Info is copying in the background. Your new phone is organizing everything. Press Go to the home screen. You might have to re-sign into your apps. You can now disconnect the cable. Your data is finally transferred. Moving SIM card. Eject SIM tray. Remove the SIM. Put the tray back in. Eject new tray. Remove SIM tray. Corner to corner. Insert SIM. Close firmly. Power on test. Wi-Fi speed test. Check if SIM card works. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.